started all over the India. As like that, in Tripura also vaccination session has been started. Particularly in Dhalai district, the 2 session site has been decided by government of Tripura. That is, one is district hospital Kulai and another one is Monoghat CSC. Right now I am having some important personalities of Monoghat CSC. Let's discuss with them about the vaccination program and vaccine itself. I am having right now Dr. K.K. Monashri, Medical Officer in charge of Monoghat CSC. Sir, tell us about the vaccination program.
First of all, good afternoon and namaskar to everyone. Today is our week of waiting. We had across many difficulties, many leaps and bounds, do gaz ki duri, social distancing, hand washing, etc. Because government has approved 2 vaccines, as most of us who are following social networking know, that Covaxin and Covishield. Out of which we, as a health worker from Tripura, had got Covishield vaccine. Tireless work of our scientists and enthusiasm of our Prime Minister, we got this vaccine. And out of 2 vaccines, the vaccine Covishield we are having right now, along with our innovation program from our respected Prime Minister and then our respected Chief Minister, we also inaugurate by a small ceremony in our setup, which is Monoghat CSC, situated in Long Triveni. As part of this program, we staff of Monoghat CSC, in presence of our respected MLA, Mr. Divachandra Rangkhal, our respected ADM, and SDM and our SDMO, we have inaugurated our program at around 10:30 AM. Now immunization process is going on. The total beneficiary is 217, out of which for inauguration purpose 101 beneficiaries have been generated and circulated to us through CoWIN app, and as of now 30 plus vaccination is completed, and I am very glad that I am being able to be part of this huge nationwide drive that will be started near future. That is COVID-19 vaccination. Thanks a lot, and I recommend everyone should have this vaccination, and especially our health worker should come forward and take this vaccination. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We are very fortunate to have Medical Officer Dr. Papan Chandra Das. Sir, tell me about Covishield vaccine.
First of all, everyone, good afternoon. I am the second medical officer of Monoghat CSC. I am talking about the Covishield vaccine, which is actually a vaccine which is manufactured in Indian Serum Institute. This vaccine is recommended as a inactivated vaccine. The schedule to 2 doses apart from 28 days, and which is actually given to the IM intramuscular, which is maintaining, which is very safe to us, and which is maintaining the cold chain, properly, and usually given to the above 18 years. And
thank you, sir. Sir, kindly say about any adverse effect of Covishield vaccine, if any.
Thank you, Rupam, for this question. As Covishield vaccine is a new evolved vaccine, yes, it has some adverse reaction which is documented, and it is also in study that what adverse effect will come, it will be later on will be discriminated to us. Okay, some minor may have adverse effect which is documented as pain or injection site swelling, then some itching, and may have serious side effect which is documented as a anaphylaxis. Till now we have not received any anaphylaxis reaction in today, but patient having some allergic reaction may have some severe allergic reaction which is termed as a anaphylaxis, and patient may have nausea and vomiting, patient may have dizziness, patient may feel unwell. So if any documented adverse effect, then we will also report as a AEFI, and later on it will be documented and well it can be taken as a in future data as a adverse reaction. Thank you.
So, what is the eligibility criteria for Covishield vaccine?
Yes, some contraindication is there. According to our manufacturing company, they have limited study about the pregnancy and lactational mother. So they have restricted to pregnancy and lactational mother, and they have said that those who are in acute illness, they should have at least 4 weeks apart to have vaccination. Then those who are active infection of COVID-19 vaccination, or those who have taken some plasma therapy or COVID-19 antibody therapy, they should not have this vaccination program. And the people who are recovered from COVID-19 infection or disease, they should at least wait for 4 weeks. So we'll give them after 4 weeks or 28 days, or also up to 12 weeks we have to take for this patient to have vaccine. Okay, then some other contraindication is there. Those who are acute illness, hospitalized patient, they should not have this vaccine, and those who have comorbidities like heart disease and diabetes mellitus, then hypertension, and they are under control with medication, so there is no contraindication. They should take this vaccination, and before this vaccination they should have at least one checkup in nearby hospital or near any doctor. So then they will take properly, and they will maintain proper hygiene, and then proper social distance, and they should wear masks, because after vaccination it is not necessary that they will get rid of this COVID-19 disease. Also this is documented that at least 4 weeks needs to have our immune response after this vaccination. So after also vaccination we should maintain all our necessary steps which are taken also in earlier in last 1 year. So I appeal all of your society member to take this vaccine and to maintain all these matter which are circulated from our Ministry of Health Welfare, and this is okay. Thank you,
sir. Now we are having an active frontliner warrior, Mr. Pranoy Das, staff nurse of Monogard CSC, and he has been successfully completed duty on dedicated COVID hospital as well. And today he has been vaccinated with Covishield vaccine. So Dada, please tell me your experience regarding COVID vaccine and today's program.
Today I have taken as a frontline warrior Covishield vaccine and completed 30 minutes of observation. Right now I have no any complication, any reaction. So I appeal to our society people come forward and observe this day as a memorable day. Thank you.
So now we have another young COVID-19 warrior or frontliner activist who is an community health officer, Mr. Suresh Shil. So Suresh, tell me about, is it mandatory to take the COVID-19 vaccine?
Yes, it is not actually mandatory. it is totally, COVID-19 vaccination is totally volunteer. Voluntarily you can take, but it is better to take the vaccination to protect you and yourself and your family.
Okay. So, how many doses we have to take?
Total, as per the guideline, there are only 2 doses for vaccination. The interval is 28 days.
Okay. So, how will I know if I become a beneficiary or not?
First of all, the vaccination will given to our healthcare provider, those who are healthcare provider for them. After then, the 50 plus, those who are 50 plus, their priority for the vaccination.
What should we have to bring to having vaccination? When we will come to vaccination site, what documents we have to bring?
You can take any type of card which is by our government initiative. So you can take your Aadhaar cards, you can take your voter ID cards.
That means any identity proof which has been approved by Government of India.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, that's it. Thank you. Thank you all the dignitaries for answering our frequently asked most important questions. Thank you.